What's going on, y'all? Today we're checking out this aquarium light. It's LED SmatFarms from Amazon. SMAT Farms, even though it doesn't say it on the box. It says G5 Aqua Star. It's a 90-watt light for coral reef and marine fish. It says it's waterproof, IP65, touch control, 6 LED channels, simulates sunrise and sunset, 2.4 gig wireless linkage control, and professional spectrum. So this light's like just over $100. So compared to the competition, this undercuts them by a bunch. Let's see what we get inside here for $100. Get the instruction, user manual, bag of hardware, power supply, cord for the power supply, and unlike the other ones, you actually get a mount for your tank, so you don't have to buy that extra. And it comes with a little remote. I already unboxed my other one. I have 2 of these, and they do not come with the batteries for the remotes. So plan on getting those if you're going to use the remote. And under here is the light. A lot of people say it's comparable to the AIs and the Kessel lights. We'll see about that in a little bit, but that's what we're looking at here. And it's a LED screen, and the touch controls has a fan on top. And just a power cord coming out of it. So let's get these mounted on the tank and see how they perform. I just can give an update on installing these arms for the lights. You can adjust the height of them, and with that, I probably want them at the highest you can, so that's the way I have it now. You just tighten these 4 little bolts. It comes with a wrench to do that. And tighten those up, so that's the height. I have it all the way as high as they'll go. And then on the front, there's just these 2 plastic screws, and just tighten those up. And then you hand tighten these screws to make this bracket on the top here. Now we're gonna slide it into that bracket. I got it slid in there, and you're gonna take this wire, and you're gonna, I guess you might go through both of these, fish it through these holes. A little hard to do one-handed. Well, here they are installed over my, this is a 65-gallon Red Sea. It's the Red Sea Max 250. I have pretty much all the lights on right now, so that's why it's pretty white, but you can adjust all that. And they communicate wirelessly, so it's pretty cool. So this is the master, and this one's the slave. So wirelessly, everything that you do on this one, the other one does it. So if you have multiple of these, it's pretty good. Has sunset and sunrise. It ramps up and down, whatever you program it to. I haven't used the remote control yet, but so far I'm pretty impressed with these. I mean, I think $110. They really give off a shimmer, kind of like similar to the Kessels. You can see I got a lot of water movement up top too, so if I don't point the nozzles at the surface of the water, it's not gonna do it as much, I don't think. But that's the first impressions of the SmatFarm LED lights from Amazon. If you want to check them out, I'll have the link in the description. And if you want to see more videos of me programming it and how to go through all the menus and everything, just leave comments, and I can do that. Took a while to figure it out, but really impressed. I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching.